Porsche presented its first fully electric sports car. The flagship Turbo S version of the Taycan can generate up to 750 horsepower of power in combination with launch control and overboost, will therefore accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.6 seconds. The top track speed all-wheel drive model is 161 miles per hour. With its clean, pure Porsche design, the Taycan ushers in a new era. At the same time, it retains the unmistakable Porsche design DNA. From the front, it looks particularly wide and flat with highly contoured wings. The silhouette is shaped by the sporty roofline sloping downward to the rear. The highly sculpted side sections are also a strong characteristic of Porsche styling. The slate cabin, the drawn-in rear C-pillar and the pronounced shoulders of the rear wings result in a sharply emphasized rear, typical of the brand. There are also innovative elements such as the glass-like Porsche logo, which has been integrated into the light bar at the rear. The cockpit signals the start of a new era of interior design at Porsche with its clear structure and a completely new architecture. The freestanding, curved instrument cluster forms the highest point on the dashboard. This places a clear focus on the driver axis. The central, 10.9-inch infotainment display and an optional passenger display are combined to form an integrated glass band in a black panel look. All user interfaces have been designed from scratch for the Taycan. The number of classic hardware controls such as switches and buttons has been greatly reduced. Instead, control is intelligent and intuitive, using touch operation or the voice control function, which responds to the command "Hey Porsche." The Taycan is the first production vehicle with a system voltage of 800 volts instead of the commonly used 400 volts for electric cars. This is a particular advantage for Taycan drivers on the road. Under ideal conditions, the charging time from 5 to 80% state of charge is just 22.5 minutes, with a maximum charging power of up to 270 kilowatts. The overall capacity of the 800 high-voltage battery is 93.4 kilowatt-hours. Taycan drivers can comfortably charge their cars with up to 9.6 kilowatts of alternating current at home using a standard connector.